It's important to engage young people because they're going to be the inventors of our future. Like, they're going to be the ones who are growing up with all the new technology that's just starting to emerge now. And we want to get a head start on the rest of the world. So like, if we can get young folk innovating, inventing with the stuff that perhaps we haven't even figured out quite what it's going to do or how it's going to change the world, give them a 10-year head start and they'll be inventing the amazing stuff that's really going to shape our future and solve the world's problems.
I think it's important to engage young people from Aotearoa in innovation and inventing, and they're going to be able to do it with a unique lens that is from us, from our place. So today's workshop with the young innovators was amazing. It was so incredible to see this room full of rangatahi, particularly young women, wahine, who were so creative and so willing to jump in and find solutions to our big problems.
Every year I set myself an impossible challenge. And I do that intentionally. I use the word impossible, right? Because everybody thinks it's impossible, you can't do that.
You can create an idea that's plausible really quickly. Find the thing you care about, and then you can change the world with it.
What I got from the workshop was that anything's possible, there's nothing impossible. If we just keep trying, and then we'll eventually get there.
I think innovation is important because I think it's the future of where the world is going.
Innovation helps us move forward and it gets us to think together.
I probably got the most out of it that it's all about creativity and just coming up with completely out of the blue ideas.
And I got to try new things with new people that I'd never met.
One of the main things I got out of the workshop today was that if you put your mind to something, you can achieve anything.